Yes, today, second day. Today, second day. Today, second day. See, yesterday, nothing discussed. See, yesterday's class, 7:30 p.m. 24th Feb. Yes, day one. Day one. Day one. Yes, yesterday, day one, nothing discussed. Just about me introduction, about your course. Next, prerequisite to learn Java, course contents. For whom this course? Yesterday, all this overview explained clearly. Let me repeat within 5 minutes. Yesterday's topic just to 5 minutes. Yes, let us review yesterday's session for 5 minutes. So actual classes not started. Today I'll be starting actual classes. Today I'll be starting actual classes. So yesterday about me introduction. This is introduction about me. Okay, yeah, Nageswar Rao, 23 years of experience. Yes, most of experience Java, Big Data, Hadoop, Linux and Python. This is my current working company. Okay. Yes, totally 18 projects completed. Okay, 2 projects on embedded C, 12 projects on Java, 4 projects on Hadoop. Now currently 19 projects. Yes, 19 projects on Java. On Java, yes. Yes, client is Volkswagen. Yeah, that's all about me. Very good experience. Yes, about your course Java, duration 3 months, time 7:30 to 9 p.m. So 90 minutes daily class. Number of sessions 75 to 78 sessions here. Monday to Saturday classes. So totally 115 hours. This is certificate also provided on finishing course. Course fees money this much 5,000. Here 3 demo classes. From tomorrow means from today actual classes. Actual classes. Okay, even these also 3 classes free of cost. You can attend, no issue. Here daily recording sharing to your Gmail ID. Just within 1 hour of finishing class. That means by 11 p.m. you can watch it. Validity for 1 year. Okay. So daily recordings, next your class documents and JDK active software, these things sharing with you. So this is yesterday discussed about the course details. Course Java, 3 months. It's a 3 months, 7:30 to 9 p.m. 90 minutes. 90 minutes. Number of sessions 75 to 78 sessions here. Monday to Saturday classes. Only Sunday holiday. No holidays. Even I'm not feeling well, I'll take the class. Okay. Yes, no holidays. Yeah, that's all about course. Yes, prerequisite, nothing required. Non-IT background guys also can understand it. Starting with basics, finally taking to high end. By the time of finishing this course, you can put up minimum 3 to 4 years of experience. So prerequisite, nothing required, nothing required. Okay, everyone can understand here. Okay, finally taking to high end. Okay. See, course contents. Yes, Java JDK. In JDK, there are 4 editions. Yes, ours is Java Standard Edition. This is Java Standard Edition. Java technology. Next, after learning this one, you should go for Enterprise Edition. Next level, that is. So our syllabus, Java Standard Edition, our course. Yes, core part of Java. In that fundamentals, Java fundamentals, 100 plus programs covering here. Yes, logic based programming. Yeah, this is for 1 month. 1 month. 1 month. Main focus on logic development here. So once you're good at programming, then entering the Java hooks, all the Java hooks. Next, other concepts like strings, object wrapper classes, exception handling, collections, highway streams, networking, multi-threading, after version-wise features. That's all. Yes, after finishing this course, next you can go for Java developer or testing Selenium or Hadoop developer Spark developer or Salesforce or AI. Anyone you can go to any of these things after finishing this course. Okay, if you want to be Java developer, just learn Java frameworks. That's it. Okay, so this is yes, this is day one session. Yeah, this one I'll share with you. I'll share your Gmail ID. I think yesterday already shared. Yesterday already shared this day one session already shared. Okay, share your Gmail IDs and even recording also shared. Okay, 1 second. Yeah, just a minute. Yeah, all the up to latest version. This is see this 8, Java 8, Java 9, 11 and 13 up to 13 covering. Okay, so Java is yes, industry using 8 and 9 only. Still we'll discuss 11 and 13 also. I'll cover 11 and 13 also. That's it. Okay, fine. So this is yesterday's class. Yesterday's class. Okay. 1 second. Yes, I think everyone is able to. Okay, fine. See yesterday's class 7:30 p.m. See yesterday's class is that group created, WhatsApp group created. Yes, WhatsApp group created for yesterday. Yes, yesterday only created. 16 participants submitted their details. Okay. Yes, see yesterday's session shared in the group and yesterday's the day one dot text file, the notepad file shared here and session one video shared. Yes, I'll give the drive access from tomorrow. Yes, I have created drive also. For our batch, drive also created. Drive. Yeah, after this course, you can go for Android, no issue. Android looks like a core Java. Yes, 1 second. Your batch drive, just a minute. Let me check your batch drive created. Batch drive. Yes, tomorrow I'll give the access to drive. So for the time being, just I'm using WhatsApp. Yes, these are drive for your batch. Yes, these are only one session, yesterday session. It's up to date. I'll give you access from this. Just giving you access from this. Okay. I'll give the access from this. Okay, tomorrow I'll give the access. So for the time being, just I'm using this yes, WhatsApp. In WhatsApp, I'm sharing all this. From tomorrow onwards, I'll give the drive access. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. So yesterday, all that yes, already completed. Let us start actual classes from today. So actual classes from today. Yes, day 2. Let me save this. Yes, this also I'll share with you. Day 2 after finishing class, I'll share with you. Yes. So today, actual classes starting. Actual classes. Yes, actual classes. Yes, even Get 3 classes. Yes, free of cost. You can no issue. After you can listen. Today actual classes. Let us start. Yes, you can go for development. Yes, as a Java developer, you can start working after finishing course. After finishing this course, just learn a Spring framework. After finishing this one, you have to learn a Spring framework. So once Spring framework completed, you can start your project development. You can go as Java developer. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Let us start actual classes. 1 second. Let me have some water. Yes, let us start Java. Yes, today we'll see Java introduction. Java developer outdated. Java is evergreen field. Lakhs of applications developed in Java. See, almost all companies' websites, all trading applications, everything developed in Java only. Lakhs of applications developed in Java. Yes, to maintain that lakhs of applications, how many millions of resources? See this today's same topic. Okay, Java outdated. Who said Java is a evergreen field, never outdated? Okay, Java is a evergreen field. Yes, no technology reaching to Java. Yes, same topic today we are going to discuss about Java history. What is present situation of Java? What is future of Java? Same topic today we are going to discuss. Yes, that history, Java history. Java history. Next, what is present situation of Java? Yes, what's the feature of Java? What's the Java feature? Yes, with same topic today we'll be discussing. Okay. See, in market, any technology outdated. Yes, chance of outdated maybe any tech, but Java never. Yes, with Java outdated, no software field. Okay. In software field, most of the employees are Java employees. In software field, majority of employees are Java employees. Okay. See, Java. Let us start Java. Yes, what is Java? Yes. You guys tell me what is Java? What's your idea? Of course, I'll explain. I'll explain what is Java. Just I'm asking your idea. What is Java? What is Java? Yes, anyone? What is Java? Okay. Yeah, different answers. Let me check your answers. Java programming language, Aman Singh. Deepak, Java is a OOPS programming language. Yes, Pradhamna, programming language. Bhakta Vatsala, Java is a programming language. Nishi Ganda, object-oriented programming language. Kalyani, high-level programming language. Akash, Java is object-oriented programming. Bhakta Vatsala, Java is a platform independent. Okay, fine. Yes, thank you for your answers. Yes, let me. What is Java exactly? Very simple. Very simple. And what is Java? Simple, very simple. Java, yes, Java is a object-oriented programming language. Simple answer. Java is a OOP language. Yes, Java is a OOP language. Yes, what is OOP here? OOP stands for Yes, objects. OOP stands for oriented. Object oriented programming. OOP stands for object oriented programming. Yes, OOP stands for object oriented programming. OOP stands for object oriented programming. Okay, so Java is a object oriented programming language. Simple answer. What is Java means? Simply your answer. It's a object oriented programming language. Okay, fine. See JDK. Yes, Java Development Kit. Java Development Kit. Yes, Java software. JDK is a Java software. Java software JDK. JDK is a Java software. Okay, Java Development Kit from the Sunsoft. This from the Sunsoft. From the Sunsoft. Now it is with Oracle Corporation. Now it is with Oracle Corporation. Oracle Corporation. It is with Oracle Corporation. See JDK Java Development Kit from Sunsoft. From Sunsoft. Now it is with Oracle Corporation. Oracle Corporation. Okay, fine. See here JDK 1.0. JDK 1.0 is a first version of Java. JDK 1.0. Yes, first version of Java. First version of Java. Yes, released in the year 1995. First version of Java. JDK 1.0. First version of Java released in the year 1995. See 1995. I think maybe you're before your birth, right? Your birth. Before your birth. 1995. What I was doing? 1995. What I was doing here? 1995. I was in engineering second year. Yeah, I know the release of Java very well. I know very well. Okay, that time, yes, I was learning. Yes, I was learning C language. 1995, just learning C language. Yes, in second year we have the C language. Just learning C language. Just I was learning C language. 1995, I was engineering second year. I know that very well. Java release. I know that very well here. Okay, see here. Yes, 1993 to 1997. Yes, computer science engineering. Yes, JNTU, Hyderabad. JNT campus. At that time, we don't have this much of college. Only 9 colleges are there. 1993 to 97, my engineering complete here. JNTU Hyderabad. Yes, even our group is there. Our yes, JNTU. Yes, our old students group. So this is our group. Yes, every day we used to communicate each other. Our world students group. This is world students group. Okay, regularly we are meeting in Hyderabad. JNTH main campus. Okay, yeah, this group is only for main campus, not for all world students. Okay, yes. Yes, so JDK 1.0, first version of Java released near 1995. 1995. Okay, JDK 1.0. Yes, 1.0. Yes, released with yes main features. Main features as below. Main features. Yes, now we are discussing history. The Java is 1995 to today. That is history. Now I'm explaining here. Explaining history 1995 to today history. Next, after finishing history, what is the present situation of Java? What is present position of Java? What is the present situation? What is future? Past, present, and future. These three things we'll discuss today. Okay, JDK 1.0. Yes, 1 second. Let me remove this. Yes, JDK 1.0 released with main features as below. First one, yes, independent of platform. Independent of platform. First one, independent of platform. Yes. Second one, Yes, portability, portability, portability. Third one, object-oriented programming language. Object-oriented programming language. So next one, scalability, scalability, scalability. Next, security. So JDK 1.0 released with main features as below. First one, independent of platform. Independent of platform. Yes, portability. Yes, OOP language, scalability and security. So this is first version of Java. First version of Java released with these main features. So next version JDK 1.1. Yes, this is released in the year 1996. Yes, JDK 1.1. Yes, released in the year. Yes, in the year 1996. Yes, see, JDK 1.1. The JDK 1.1 divided into 4 editions. Sorry, 3 only. JDK 1.1 is divided. Yes, Sunsoft has divided. Sunsoft has divided JDK into JDK 1.1 divided into 3 editions. Initially only 3. Later fourth one added. I'll tell you that answer. JDK 1.1 divided into 3 editions. First one, yes, Java SE. So calling us J2SE. Yes, Java. Yes, standard. Java standard edition. Java standard edition. So J2SE. First one, Java standard edition. Yes, next one. Second one. Yes. Second one, yes, JE, J2W, Java Enterprise, Java Enterprise Edition, So next, third one, yes, Java Mobile Edition, JME, yes, JTME, yes, it's a mobile edition, mobile edition. So initially, here, JDK 1.1 divided into 3 editions here, Java Standard Edition, Java Enterprise Edition, Java Mobile Edition, J2SE, J2W, JTME. Yes, why called as 2 here? 2 reason it's a second version. First version of Java 1.0. Second version 1.1. So second version. So in second version, yes, in second version divide like this. In second version divided. In second version divide like this. That's the reason named as JTSE, J2W, JTME. That's it. Okay, after this, next JDK 1.2. So next JDK 1.2, next 1.3, yes, 1.4, next 1.5. Yes, most important version is 1.5. JDK 1.5. Yes, we'll discuss about JDK 1.5. JDK 1.5, JDK 1.6, next 1.7, next 1.8. Here this is calling it Java 8. Java 8, yes, Java 9, next Java 11. Okay, next version Java 11 released here. Next, yes, Java 13. So official, these were released officially. Yes, industry using Java 8 and 9 only here. Yes, 80% of industry using Java 8 only. Java 9 rare case. See, since last 2 projects we are using Java 9. So previous project, now current project we are using Java 9. Okay. So 11 and 13, yes, our team already updated with 11 and 13 also. Okay, so yes, we are going to discuss all this here. I'll explain all versions here. Up to 13 we'll discuss. Okay, fine. Yes, this JDK 1.5. Yes, very important version, JDK 1.5. JDK 1.5. Yes, called as Tiger version. It's called as Tiger version. Yes, released. Tiger version released in the year 2004. Yes, in this version, many features were added. Here in 1.5, yes, many features were added. Many features were added here. Many features are added. Yes, even fourth edition. Yes, fourth edition. Yes, fourth edition. Yes, Java FX, JFX, JFX, Java FX, Java FX. Yes, also added here. Also added. Also added. Okay, the major changes were done. JDK 1.5. Many features were added here. Major changes were done here. Okay. Yes, with JDK 1.5, with JDK 1.5, with JDK 1.5, Java got the success. Java got the success. Java got the success. With JDK 1.5 features, Java got the success. Yes, how many years it was taken? How many years? JDK 1.5 2004. 2004. So initial release, first release 1995. JDK first version of Java released in the year 1995. 1995. Yes, 2004 got the success. Means almost 10 years. 10 years means is not a small period. Lengthy period, right? 10 years. Suppose you guys also worked for 10 years. Consistently working for 10 years. Just getting success. Just you choose one field. Just you choose particular field here. Just work for 10 years. Getting success automatically. See, while choosing field only, you have to choose trending field. See here. See how to choose your career. First of all, yes, importance should be given to trending field. Trending field. Okay. And evergreen fields, not only trending field here. Yes, evergreen means evergreen field. Evergreen. So trending field, evergreen and long lasting career. Yes. Some trending technologies. Some trending fields are just coming and going within 1 hour. Sorry, within 1 year. Some fields, some technology will come and go within 1 year only here. Don't choose, don't choose that kind of fields here. Don't choose that kind of technology. So choose evergreen field and long lasting. See Java, since 20 years I'm working on Java. No up and downs. Happily I'm working here. Just I'm updating Java version started here. No worry. Very cool. Happily I'm working. Okay. See, since last 10 months, lot of opening on Java. See, last 1 year, before 1 year, Python somewhat trending. Now Python saturated in the market. Python saturated. No demand for the Python now currently. Yes, 1 year ago, yes, there was some demand for Python. Now Python already saturated here. Yes, since last 10 months, Java, lot of openings are there. Okay, lot of openings are there. So since last 10 months, lot of openings. So many requirements. Now currently lot of demand for Java, lot of demand is there. Lot of demands. Many companies are recruiting Java guys. Okay. Last 10 months, lot of requirement is going on. Just to talk to our friends. Just to talk to our friends. Yes, who are already working in Java, who are working in software field. Just you ask your friends, they will inform you. It's a evergreen field. Yes, since 2000 year I am working on Java. No up and downs. Happily working. Next, one more. Java highly paid. Highly paid. Java is a highly paid in the market. Compared to any technology, Java is a highly paid and most respectable technology in the market. Okay, yes, that history we'll discuss. I'll tell you that history and all that. I'll tell you all that. Today topic is same. Today topic same. Okay. Yes, JDK 1.5. Yes, with JDK 1.5, Java got the success. With JDK 1.5, Java got the success. Okay, right? Yes. So fine here. So finally here, see, finally, yes, Java divided into 4 editions. 4 editions. Okay. Yes, after Java got the success here, it has become evergreen field. See, in market, many technologies are coming and going, but Java never ending, right? Yes, in market, many technologies coming and going here, but Java is evergreen. Okay. Next, one more thing. No layoffs for the Java employees. Just to observe it. Different technologies layoffs are there, but for Java employees, no layoffs. What I observed here, no layoffs in companies. Even project don't have project. Java always projects. Evergreen field always projects. Continuously development will be there. Okay, yes, that also same thing we'll discuss today. Okay, so finally Java divided into four editions. Four editions. These three editions. These three plus fourth edition effects. Java effects. Fourth one, yes, JFX. JFX. Java effects. Java effects here. Java effects. Java effects. Okay. See, what are these different editions? Okay, first let us see about Java standard edition. See, Java standard edition, this is Java technology. So complete just learning Java technology. Java technology. So this is completely Java technology. Java technology. So this is your syllabus. Your syllabus is Java standard edition. This is Java technology. Java standard edition. Java technology. So that means you are going to learn Java technology. After learning Java technology, next enterprise edition. So what is enterprise edition here? Enterprise edition, yes, it's application developments. Yes, application developments. Application developments. Application developments. It's application developments. Enterprise edition, it's application developments. Applications. Applications like yes, internet-based applications. Internet-based applications. Internet-based applications. All internet-based applications developing using enterprise edition. Okay, so this all the frameworks. Yes, see this area, all frameworks, all Java frameworks comes up this. All Java frameworks in this area. Yes, in enterprise edition, all frameworks are there. All frameworks. Okay, next mobile edition. Mobile edition. Yeah, this is for the mobile apps. So developing mobile apps for mobile apps. Yes, this one. Yeah, this area Java 4. Java is not good in this area. Java is poor. See, for mobile applications, Java is not recommended. For this Android. Yes, Android. Mobile application development. See, Android, that programming is same like a core Java. Yes, if you know the core Java, you can work on Android. But if you know the core Java, this Android basically depends on core Java only. Android. Yes, Android programming is completely core Java. If you know the core Java, then easy to work on Java. Yes, easy to work on Android also. Okay. So mobile editions for this mobile applications, mobile apps, Android is a leader. Android is a leader. So industry using Android in this area. Java not in use. Okay. So mobile edition. See, after finishing Java standard edition means after finishing core Java, next Java mobile edition you have to learn. But Java mobile edition is poor in case of that Android. Next you can go for Android. That's it here. Android. Okay. Yes. So Java mobile edition. So this area Java not using here. Yes. So in this area Android is suitable. Industry using Android. Android is completely core Java based. If you know the core Java, then easy to work on Android. Okay. Fine. Next one. Effects. Java effects. Java effects. Yep, Java effects. This is for visual effects, just like movies. All videos and all these movies. Visual effects. Yeah, this area also Java is very poor. Yeah. Visual effects. This area Java poor. Yes, for this purpose, industry using Premiere software. Industry using Premiere software. Yeah, this is from the Adobe. Adobe, from the Adobe. Next, Maya software, Premiere and Maya. Okay, so industry, yes, film industry using these softwares for visual effects like graphics and all that. So these softwares, film industry using these softwares for visual effects. Yeah. Java in this area, Java is there but poor. So compared to these things, Java is poor. So industry using this one here, this one. Okay. Yes, mobile applications, Android. Fine. Okay. Yes. See, Java technology. This is your course. Java technology. So this is your course. So your course is Java technology. This is sorry, Java foundation. Java foundation is Java technology. So this is your course. Yes, that course contents yesterday we discussed. Yesterday we discussed about all the course contents. Okay. Yes, next Java Enterprise Edition. Yes, today we should discuss about this part here. Java Enterprise Edition. Yes, it's a application development. See, all the internet-based applications developed in Java only. Yes, all frameworks. Yes, enterprise, all the frameworks comes under this category. All the frameworks. Yes, let us see Java frameworks. What are Java frameworks? Yes, Java frameworks. Yes, what is framework? Yes, I'll explain now. What is a framework? I'll explain. Java frameworks. First one, yes, Struts. Struts framework. Struts framework. Yeah, this is outdated. No one using. Almost outdated. Very old framework. Struts very old framework. Yes, next. Yes, Spring. Spring and Spring framework. Yes, Spring framework. Yes, next. Third one, Hibernate framework. Hibernate framework. Yes, Spring and Hibernate frameworks. Yes, next. Hadoop. Hadoop framework. Yes, next. Yes, Spark. Spark framework. Next. Spring Boot and microservices. These are the frameworks, Java frameworks. Okay. Yes, Start framework outdated, no one using. See, Spring and Hibernate. Yes, first of all, what is a framework? Okay. So what's a framework? What is a framework? First of all, what is a framework? What's a framework? First of all, what's a framework here? Framework is a ready-made one. Yes, it is. Yes, it's a ready-made one. Ready-made one. Yes, ready to use. Ready to use. Ready to use without writing any code. Without writing codes. Okay, it contains all predefined classes. It contains all predefined classes. All predefined classes. All predefined classes available here. See, here framework, all predefined classes available. Using that classes, you can avoid the code here. You can build the project simply here. Project building is very simple. Using the predefined classes. So without writing code, yes, using framework, you can avoid the codes. Without writing code, yes, without writing code, we can develop without, yes, without writing code, we can build the projects. There are some predefined classes. Suppose, for example, here, database coding. For example, there is a database coding. Database coding. Database coding. So connecting to database. Yes, Java code. The Java code connect to database. First load the driver, connect to database, and sending request, some select query, fetching data and processing. Yes, these are around 60 to 70 lines of code. 60 to 70 lines of code. Database coding, 60 to 70 lines of code. Yes, very old days. Like before 2005. Before 2005, we don't have any frameworks. That time we used to write complete code, complete Java codes. Yes. After Hibernate came to the picture, after Hibernate framework. See, Hibernate framework provides Hibernate framework provides predefined classes, predefined, predefined, predefined classes, classes for database codes, database codes. Okay, so need not write that code here. Take that classes here, plug it into projects. Like database coding, different coding here. Yes, maybe application. Yes, Java application sending emails. Java application communicating with some TCP sockets. Like the different kind of things here. Maybe maintaining some sessions. So for different kind of things, there are three different classes available. Okay. Yes. Simply here. Simply. Just simply. Yes. We can take predefined classes. Predefined classes. We can take predefined classes and plug in into projects. Plug in. Just to plug in. Just to plug in into projects. Plug in into projects. And we can build projects and we can build projects here. We can build projects without writing code. We can build a project without writing any code here. Without any codes. Without any codes. Without any codes. So without writing codes, we can build the project. Okay. See what is advantage with this project here. So what is advantage? Yes. Advantage with the frameworks. Yes. What is advantage frameworks here? Yes. First one. Yes, we can reduce code. First point, we can reduce code. We can reduce the code. First point, we can reduce the code. So need not develop the codes. Need not develop much code here. Okay. Next, we can see we can build the projects. We can build the projects. Yes. Projects. Yes. Within short time. Within short time. Yes. Within short time. Within short time, we can build the projects. Yes. See, much coding is not required. If much coding is not required, yes, within short time we can finish projects. Yes, take the all the yes. Simply we can take predefined classes, plug in into project, and build the project. That's it. So much coding is not necessary. Don't have much coding here. If don't have much coding here, yes, within short time we can finish. Within short time we can finish here. Okay, next one more advantage here. Yes, we can reduce. We can reduce the Java resources. Yes, much resource not required. We can reduce Java resources. Java resources to work on the project here. Java resources. We can reduce. Okay. Yes, if you're able to reduce all this here, we can reduce the time. We can reduce the resources means we can reduce the cost. Yes, development cost reducing, right? Development cost reducing. So with that development cost also reducing, development cost reducing. So they are the advantages with framework here. So the advantages frameworks. Yes, we can reduce code here. So within short time we can finish project here. Yes, we can reduce Java resources. So you can automatically yes development cost reducing. Okay, see in 2017, yes, we developed one GST project. Okay, just 3 months only completed. Just in 3 months completed. 3 months completed. 3 months completed. GST projects, goods and sales. Sorry, goods and service tax. Goods and service. Only 3 months completed. Yes, within short time we completed. Like that, not on this project here. Any project within short time only we are finishing. See, very old days projects it was taken for 2 years. Some projects 3 years also. Some projects 1 year, 2 years, 3 years like that. But nowadays we are finishing project within 6 months only. Within 6 months only we are finishing projects. Even very big project also we are able to finish within 6 months only because of these frameworks. See, I'll tell you one example. Yes, frameworks example. I'll tell you one example here. Frameworks example. What is exactly framework? To understand framework. To understand framework, I'll tell you one example. Suppose, for example, here, yes, bridges construction. See, bridges. bridges construction. Let us see bridges construction. Yes, old days how they constructed here. In old days here, first raising pillars, right? Raising pillars. Okay, on top of pillars. Okay, on top of pillars, just laying bridges. So first raising pillars, on top of pillars, laying bridges, right? Laying that bridge. Okay, laying bridge, right? Yes. So this technology has taken more time. Bridges construction, it was taken for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, even 10 years also. But nowadays, how bridges are constructing, how they are constructing here. Nowadays, how they are constructing here. Nowadays, just raising pillars. Even for raising pillars also, manpower is not necessary. Yes, simply here there are machines and machinery and everything is available. Yes, next on top of pillars, what they are doing here? Just they are assembling blocks. Yes, nowadays ready-made blocks available. Just assembling blocks here. Yes, ready-made bridge available here. That assemble blocks available. Simply they are bringing blocks and assembling. So ready-made blocks available. Simply they are bringing blocks here. They are constructing bridges. Nowadays, what is happening here? See, last year COVID period. During the COVID period, that 6 months of time, TS government has completed 67 bridges. Within 6 months, and they utilize that period here. That period, yes, no traffic in Hyderabad. See, in this area, Gachbowli area, almost 4 to 5 bridges they completed. In total city, 67 bridges completed in city. Just only 6 months. They utilize that period here. How they will do able to finish here? Just assembling blocks. By assembling blocks, they construct bridges here. These like a somewhat like a framework. Same work, like a frameworks. Yes, one more example. Yes, ready-made houses, right? Ready-made houses. Ready-made houses are available. Ready-made houses. See, construction company for their workers. They will build the houses, right? Suppose highways. Suppose laying some highways here, right? Highways. So whenever requirement is there, simply they will build the house. Ready-made houses, they build the house here. Yes, workers staying in that houses here. So finishing that work. After finishing work, yes, same the ready-made houses, they will take it here and migrating some other location. Again, they will construct ready-made houses. Yes, everything ready-made available here. Walls, next roofs, and all that floor, everything ready-made available. Ready-made available. Okay, readily available. That ready-made houses. So framework is exactly like ready-made house. Ready-made house. Okay. So whenever they want, they can construct. So whenever they want to move here, just removing all the parts. Removing all the parts here, I'm moving some other location. Again assembling. That's it. Same framework is exactly like that. Readily available. Framework is already readily available. All predefined classes readily available. So by taking all that process here, this building application. That is framework. That is framework, right? That is framework. Okay. Now Hadoop, yes, sorry. Yes, Spring and framework, Spring and Hibernate. These are for the internet-based applications. Okay, internet-based applications. Spring and Hibernate. Yes, these frameworks for yes, internet-based applications. These for yes, internet-based applications. Internet-based applications, internet-based apps. Okay, these are yes, these frameworks are using to develop internet-based applications. Internet-based applications. Okay, like trading applications. Yes, like Facebook, Flipkart. Next, all the online services. These applications were developed using Java only. Okay. Next, yes, Hadoop and Spark. Next, Hadoop and Spark frameworks. Hadoop. and Spark framework. They are the for big data. Yes, these are two. Yes, for big data challenge. These are for big data. Yes, big data challenges. Big data challenges. For big data challenges, Hadoop and Spark framework. Yes, these are the Java-based frameworks. Java-based framework here. Like yes, to store, to store to store and process big data. So to store and process big data. So big data area, yes. See now currently industry facing big data issues. Since 2010, since 2010 industry facing big data. Yes, big data for big data solution is Java. Java has given solution to many kind of things. Many kind of things. Okay. See here. Yes, if you know the core Java, you can start work on Hadoop. If you know the core Java, see, application development is different, data processing is different here. If you know the core Java, yes, completely Hadoop is core Java based. The framework is not necessary. For Hadoop purpose, Spring framework, Hibernate framework is not necessary. With the core Java knowledge, directly you can start work on Hadoop. Yes, you can work. Okay. Hadoop is very simple. With core Java knowledge only you can work on Hadoop. Okay. Yes, Hadoop, mapper, reducer, driver classes, mapper, reducer. Only the three components. How to develop three components? If you know that three components, then easy to work on Hadoop. Okay. Yes. Hadoop framework is very easy, even compared to Spring and Hibernate frameworks. Yes, Spring and Hibernate framework. Even you compare this framework, Hadoop framework is very simple. Okay, to store and big data, you can use Hadoop and Spark frameworks. Spark is the next generation of Hadoop. Spark is the next generation of Hadoop. Okay, yes, fine. See here, by the year 2010, by the year 2010, 90% of existing projects, 90% of existing projects were migrated to Java. That history, I know that very well. Yes, by the year 2010, 90% of existing projects were migrated to Java here. Okay, existing applications, existing apps, projects or apps were migrated to Java. Yes, existing apps. What are the existing applications here? 2010. Yes, existing applications. Yes, 2010 that time. Visual Basic applications are there. Next, VC plus applications and .NET apps. Okay, next, C and C plus apps. C and C plus apps. Next, another category, ERP. Yes, SAP and Oracle ERP. ERP apps. Okay, by the year 2010, that time, yes, 2010, that period, yes, we have the applications, Visual Basic applications, VC plus, .NET, C and C plus, next, SAP and Oracle ERP applications. Yes, these 90% of that existing applications were migrated to Java. Yes, what's the reason? Why those applications are migrated to Java? Let us see the reasons here. Various reasons. There are different reasons here. There are different reasons here. So what's the reason? See this. Visual Basic, VC plus .NET. These are from Microsoft. These are from the Microsoft. These are from the Microsoft, right? Yes, Microsoft technologies. So these are from the Microsoft. Yes, Microsoft technologies. What's the disadvantage with this here? Microsoft technologies. Microsoft technologies. What's the disadvantage? Any idea? Microsoft technologies. What is disadvantage with Microsoft technologies? Microsoft technologies are yes, Windows OS dependent. Windows OS dependent. Microsoft technologies are Windows OS dependent. OS dependent. Platform dependent. Microsoft technologies are Windows OS dependent. So Windows OS dependent. Yes, Windows OS. What's the problem with Windows OS? Yes, anyone idea? What's the problem with Windows OS? No idea. What's the problem with Windows base? Windows Windows is not a secure base. Windows is not a secure base. Okay. Yes, virus and data hacking happens with Windows base. This frequently happens with Windows base here. No security. No security for our data. Yes, virus infecting. Suppose once virus infected, OS will not work. OS fails. Means loss of data. Loss of data. Next, data hacking. Hacking your data hacking means data theft. Okay. Chance of data theft with Windows base. That's a problem with Windows base. Windows is not a secure base. Then which is secure base? Tell me. Yes, which is more secure base? Any idea? Yes, which is more secure base? Yeah, good. Linux. Linux is secure base. Linux is a secure base. Secure base. Linux secure base. See, Linux base. With Linux, chance of hacking data. No chance of virus. Linux is a virus free. Yes, operating system. Linux is a virus free. No chance of data hacking. Reason Linux, there is a concept of permissions. Linux concept of permissions like read permission, write permission, and execute permission. Without read permission, no one can access your files. Without write permission, no one can modify your files. Execute permission means for opening. First of all, opening your folders. To open folders, they must have execute permission. Without that permission, no one can access. Yes, you have to grant the permission. So by default, others don't have any permission. As a owner, in Linux, as a owner, you can open folders and files, but others cannot. See, virus and data hacker. Suppose any virus program received, that virus program don't have permissions to open your files and folders. Even data hacker, that hacker program also don't have the permissions. So these programs will try to open your folders but fails. There is no chance of virus and hacking, data hacking with Linux. It's a secure ways. Okay, secure ways. See, Linux was released. Yes, Linux was released. Yes, Linux was released in the year 1999. Apache Linux. Now Red Hat Linux is in the market. Now Red Hat Enterprise Linux is a leader in the market. Yes, in the market. Red Hat Linux, RHL, Red Hat Enterprise Linux base. It's a secure base. Yes, 1999 only released here. Now we are 2022, right? Yes, by the year 2010 only here. See by the year 2010, 2010, yes, Red Hat. By the year 2010, RHL has become leader in the operating systems. Yes, leading ways in the market. Okay. Yes, here see Visual Basic, VC Player, these applications running on Windows base only. Yes, Windows is not a secure base. Since Windows is not a secure base here, there is a chance of hacking data. In this application, chance of hacking data and chance of hacking application code also. So for that reason, that time most of the Microsoft clients, 2010 year, most of the Microsoft clients, they started thinking about Red Hat Linux base. Yes, to run on the Red Hat Linux base, these applications cannot run. Yes, these Visual Basic, VC Plus, these are Windows based applications here. These cannot run on Linux base. Then their application has to run on Linux base here. Yes, the clients, the applications have to run on Red Hat Linux base. Yes, then what is the alternative? Java is independent platform. Java working on anyways. So with that reason here, these clients were migrated to Java. These applications were migrated to Java because of security reasons here. These Microsoft clients were migrated to Java. Java is independent platform. Java working on anyways. Since it's an independent platform here, yes, most of the clients were migrated to Java here. Okay, so Microsoft clients were migrated to Java because of it's a Windows OS dependent. Since Windows is not a secure OS, here, that Microsoft clients were migrated to Java to work on Linux base. That's it. Next, C and C++. When come to C and C++ applications, that is the reasons. See, 2010, that time only these are the applications in the market. Only these kind of applications here. Next, C and C++. Why C and C++ applications were migrated to Java? C and C++, yes, don't have GA programming. In C and C++, don't have GA programming. GA, graphical user interface. GA. 1 second. Get that form. Yes, today you fill some registration form, right? Yes, 1 second. Here this is GA. Here the GA programming, right? This is GA. Okay, in C and C++ we don't have this kind of facility. It's not user friendly. So for C and C is not fit for GA programming. C and C is only for device drivers. Not for this kind of application developments. So here, for that reason here, C and C don't have GA programming. So because of that reason, these applications are migrated to Java. Next, yes, SAP and Oracle ERP. Yes, SAP, Oracle ERP. Here, these are costly. They're costly here. See, one of my project is SAP project converted into Java. Now current project also ERP solutions. For ERP solutions, we are using Java here. So the SAP and Oracle ERP, they are costly. So because of costly here, this SAP and Oracle ERP clients, 90% of these clients were migrated to Java. Okay, reason Java is a freeware. We can free of cost. Java is a freeware. They will not charge anything. No charges for this. No licensing, nothing. It's a freeware. So with that different regions here. Okay. Different reasons here. That 90% of existing applications were migrated to Java. By the year 2010, 90% of existing applications were migrated to Java. Okay. Next. One more thing here. Yes. So here 2010. So that time, yes, industry. Yes, the software industry. Yes, software industry started facing big data challenges. Yes, facing big data challenges. Yes, by the 2010 year only, software industry started facing big data challenges. Like first time Google faced big data issues. Yes, in Google 2004 only Google faced big data issues. Yes, Google started working on big data. So for that Google, they started developing Hadoop. Later that Hadoop was taken by the Apache Software Foundation. Like that, yes, industry started facing big data challenges. By the year 2010, industry started facing big data challenges like Google, Facebook, LinkedIn, next Amazon online services, like this many top 10,000 companies. Now currently top 10,000 companies, top 10,000 companies, yes, facing big data challenges. Okay, yes, for big data challenges, Hadoop, yes, is a solution. Hadoop and Spark, yes, Spark framework are the solutions. For this, providing best solutions. Okay. See here now, currently here, presently, see presently, 90% of yes, internet based, internet based applications, apps were developed in Java. Apps were developed in Java. 90% of internet based applications were developed in Java. Next, next 90% of ERP solutions from Java. From Java. So 90% of ERP solutions from Java. ERP is enterprise resource planning, big industry. This is a big industry. How to plan their yes resource management. So ERP. See, 1 second. Let me show that enterprise. See, enterprise will be like this. Enterprise. See, enterprise means large scale industry. Enterprise means large scale industry. See, this is enterprise. In enterprise, purchasing department, stores departments, raw material management here, next manufacturing department, production department, quality control department, costing department, marketing and sales department, customers, next assembling department, shipping department, human resources, yes, employees, payrolls handling here. Okay, next recruiting employment here. Yes, next assets, company assets, next bank transactions, accounting system. This whole thing is a is enterprise, it's a big enterprise, large scale industry kind of this much of yes different departments. To manage all these departments, yes, some application required. That application is ERP, enterprise resource planning. Yes, very big application required. Yes, now currently we are working on same projects. Yes, Volkswagen ERP projects. Yes, we got the contract for 2 years. Development as well, maintenance here. Development period for 1 year. Within 1 year, we have to finish that project. After finishing 1 year maintenance. Okay, after 1 year, yes, 2 years. Currently, we got it. After 2 years, maybe extending for maintenance. Extending. Okay, that ERP solutions. That project we are developing Java on here. That ERP solutions from Java. Okay, next. Yes, all big data applications, all big data apps developing Java. Yes, developing in Java here. Yes, there is no alternative, only Java. One and only Java, big data applications. One and only Java. Now see, no present situation here. Java present situation, 90% of internet-based applications. See, many trading applications, online trading applications, many are there. Yes, many online trading applications. Okay. Next, worldwide, many manufacturing company industries are there. Software industry, software companies. Yes, all the companies' websites developed in Java. Lakhs of companies, their websites developed in Java. Next, to manage their operations, to manage their internal operations for these applications. Not only websites here, to manage their operations, some applications required. Software industry, mechanical industry, civil industry, like real estate. Okay, next, many schools, many colleges, to manage all these, how many applications? Lakhs of applications. Lakhs of applications. Okay, next ERPs. Okay, next big data. So lakhs of applications were developed in Java. See, lakhs. Yes, lakhs of apps developed in Java. Lakhs of apps developed in Java. Okay, yes. One second, just a minute. Just a minute. One second. Just a minute. Yes, lakhs of apps developed in Java. See, to support lakhs of apps, how many Java resources required? How many Java resources required? Tell me. Yes, each application minimum 5 to 10 employees are required. That support team, that application support team. Yes, lakhs of applications developed. So minimum 10 employees required to support that application. Minimum 10 employees means multiplied by 10 times. Okay, suppose lakhs of applications, suppose 1 crore. For example, 1 crore of yes apps developed in Java. Right? Assume that developed in Java, then how many resources required? NCR. Java resource required, right? 10 crores of Java employees required. 10 crores. Okay. Yes, applications. So here, lakhs of applications developed here. Java here. How many resources required here? Yes, millions of resources. Millions. Millions of resources. Applications are in lakhs. Applications are lakhs. Java resources demand is millions. Millions of resources required here. Millions of resources required. That's the reason Java has become a working field. Lot of demand for Java. Yes, many Java guys incoming, outgoing, millions of resources. See, lakhs of applications, right? Lakhs of now it's a now I think it's now millions of applications. Million means 1 million. 1 million is equal to see 1 million is equal to 10 lakhs. 1 million equal to 10 lakhs. Okay, so millions of resources required to support all the Java applications. Yes, it's a version. Java is a version. Java applications are version. Okay, right? Now current situation. Millions of resources means never ending Java. Suppose here in future any technology comes. In future any technology comes here. Lakhs of applications have to migrate to that new technology. Yes, how much time taken? It will take a lot of time. Maybe 10 to 15 years. Yes, if any new technology, yes, now currently there is no technology have features like Java. Java is having many features. Yes, currently, right now, there is no technology, yes, which is having features more than Java. Okay, I think even nearby also there is no chance for new technology. Suppose even new technology coming, the technology should provide more features than Java. Not on that here, it must be freeware. Java is a freeware first point. Java is a freeware and having more features. Suppose in future any technology comes, that should have the more features than Java. Next, it should be freeware. Suppose in future new technology coming, freeware is coming and having features more than Java. See, all these existing clients have to migrate to Java here. See, existing clients, yes, immediately no one will take the risk. No one will take the risk to migrate to new technology. It will take a lot of time. So for next 15 to 20 years, no worry about it here. For next 15 to 20 years, you can survive in Java. Happily, you can work on Java here. That is strength of Java. Okay. See here, lakhs of applications are there. Yes, means version. Java is a version. That version migrating to new technology is not easy. That's the reason Java has become evergreen field. So that is feature of Java. Yes, you can choose your Java career. Okay. Yes, there is no chance of outdating Java here. No chance. Okay. Yes. See, the thing is with Java problem is coding skills. You must have coding skills. Okay. See here. See here. Most of the guys like who don't have the coding skills, who are poor in technology, who are poor in learning. Simply they say that Java is outdated. No, it's not like Java is a version. Okay. If you have the good knowledge of Java, you can survive. Yes, anywhere. Next, one more thing here. Suppose if you're working in Java here, easy to migrate to other technology. Suppose in future any new technology comes here, Java guys can easily migrate to other technologies because Java is somewhat tough compared to any other technology, little bit tough, not tough, little bit tough. So the guys who worked in Java, They can migrate to other technologies very easily. Yes, even industry will prefer Java guys. In new technology, who is having Java background, industry will give the preference for Java guys. That is about Java. Okay, so that's all about Java. So this is completely future. Yes, past, present, and future. Past discussed about Java, present discussed, and future. Yes, lot of things we discussed today. Okay. Yes, minute. Yes, this all this my experience, live experience. It's my live experience. Since 1993, I'm in software field. Started my career. My engineering started in 1993. My job 1997. So before Java raising the markets, yes, I was there in software field. I know every developments in Java. Yes, software. What was happened software field? It's a live experience. See, most of the trainers they will collect information from the Google. For me, it's not necessary. It's my experience, live experience. Just my experience. I'm presenting you. That's it here. Okay. Yes. Yes. Advanced Java. I think 75 days. That will be taking 70 to 75 days. Advanced Java 75 days. Okay, this core Java 3 months. Advanced Java for 75 days. Okay. Yeah. So that's all about today's class. Yes. 1 second. 1 second. Yes. For our batch already group created. So this is group 7:30 p.m. Yes. So this is our group. Yes. Still anyone to share your details? Yes, this is my WhatsApp number. Yes, my WhatsApp number 8179189123. Yes, see, for the time being, yes, I'm using WhatsApp for communication purpose. Next, from tomorrow, after finishing tomorrow class, I'll give the drive access. Okay, yes, your name, share your details, your name. Next, WhatsApp course you are attending here. WhatsApp course you are attending. Yes, your Gmail ID requires. Okay, next time also. WhatsApp time you are attending here. Time. Gmail ID. Course Java. Time 7:30 p.m. Okay. Yes. Yeah, definitely. Akash. Yes, just you ping me. So whenever free, I'll call back. This is my WhatsApp number. Just ping me. I'll talk to you. No worry. Just still anyone pending to share these details. I will add to group. So for the time being, just I'm using WhatsApp. From tomorrow onwards, I'll give the access to Drive. In Drive, everything you can see. Daily recordings and your material and everything you can see in Drive. Okay, your Gmail ID. Okay. Yeah, that's all for today. Shall we wind up session for today? Yeah. So thank you guys. Yes, same link tomorrow also. Same link tomorrow also. Okay. If any changes, will inform. Changes will inform. 1 second. 1 second. Yes, tomorrow Saturday, right? So there is a Saturday evening. There is a chance of changing link. There is a chance of changing link. Yes, tomorrow chance. There is a chance of changing link tomorrow. Tomorrow class. Because yes, by Saturday 6 p.m. link will be expired. Link expired by Saturday 6 p.m. only. So tomorrow 7:30 p.m. for your batch. Chance of changing link. Yes, check your email ID. Check your email tomorrow. Check your email and check your WhatsApp. Yes, if you're in group, then good. Check your WhatsApp group. Okay, check your email and WhatsApp group. Yes, tomorrow 100% chance of change. 100% there's a chance of changing link tomorrow because link expiring by the evening. Link will be expiring by the evening, so we'll create new link. Yes, and that will be shared to your Gmail ID. Okay. Yes, same time, 7:30 same day, class time same. Check your email, check your emails and WhatsApp group. Check it here. Okay. Yes. Yeah, that's all. So thank you guys. See you tomorrow.